Hey there! Today, we're going to show you how to get your wheels and tires looking amazing using Blackmagic Pro Graphene Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's like giving your car a mini makeover. Let's get started. First things first, give that bottle a good shake. You want to keep all that good stuff mixed up nicely. Oh, and a quick heads up, don't use this on warm or damaged wheels. We want to keep things safe and effective. Now, let's get those wheels and tires completely covered with the cleaner. Don't hold back, make sure you get every inch. Here's a little tip, let the cleaner sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. This really gives time to work into the tires and the wheels, getting all that dirt and grime loose while conditioning the tires. Next up, grab a soft wheel brush or sponge and give them a good thorough scrub. This is where you'll see all that dirt start to come off. After scrubbing, rinse everything off with cool water. You want to make sure you wash away all the cleaner and any dirt that's picked up. Then, take a clean microfiber towel and dry off your wheel and tire. You'll start seeing that nice, clean shine come through. For the best results, tackle one wheel at a time. And to finish off, apply Blackmagic Pro Graphene Tire Shine to the tires. It's like a cherry on top for a great look. No one outshines Blackmagic. Thanks so much for joining us, and don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Blackmagic Shine and share your own tips and tricks in the comments.